Alright, we're out here today fishing Yellow Creek. Long, flat river. It's gonna be good. And you're on nymphing today. Not running my hopper dropper setup. Justin's got a hopper dropper on. Ethan's.
I got just a nymph setup. It's got a nice little pink bead head with a purple body. Very slim, pretty heavy to get down there deep. It's really all you need.
I'm running a nice little Perdigon, little green belly on it, and then up top I've got my hopper. I'm running a big nymph with a big pink bead with a shiny silver body and a little red tail. So we're gonna get on the water, see if we can't catch anything.
Should be a good day.
Here we go.
Finally! I'm sweating my ass off right now. I just got snagged. Toss it right off the ledge, we'll get one. We're gonna get a nice view of this guy. Water's pretty cold today too. Rest up so we can get a nice view of him. Okay, you can slide, buddy. Pretty nice looking brown. Some nice red speckles on it. It's a little bit beat up, you can see the scars on it. And let him go. Bro, stop that food.
Alright, got our first little brown. Alright, let's get the release on this boy. There he goes. This is the second nymph rescue of the day. Got these weeds. Come out 4 feet. Fish like to hide out here, so you gotta get close, but I got hooked on earlier. I had to go way out with the waiting staff.
I got a little too close.
Ethan's holding my back, reaching in. So I'm gonna try and save this one.
We got one here. This one's not that bad. It's actually kind of nice. Oh, right, look at that hook. Right through the upper lip. That's what we like to see around here. Let's get it out now. Sorry, buddy. Yeah, so we're gonna got hands wet. We'll get a nice shot of this guy too. It's a nice one. Need me to get net?
Yeah. There we go, another fish. Just bad move spots. Get this fitted out. Thank you. No work for me. There we go. Nice brown. I'll let this guy go.
Nice release on him.
Ooh. Started down. There we go.
How many is that on the day?
2. My second fish of the day. Ethan.
I'm on 2 also. Need one more to get 3.
Finally found the fly. We switched our nymphs just one time, and now we found Ethan's running a little bit different of a nymph. He's got a little purple one on. I got a bigger pink head with brown stuff all over it.
All right, we just got back to camp here. Got some dogs grilling up.
Got some Millers. Got the little grill going.
We're gonna take a quick little snack break and then head downstream. 3 dogs on. Another fat ones too.
There we go. Got some more if we're still hungry. Yeah. Alright, dogs are done. Get filled up again. Sun's starting to come down. It's about to get behind this mountain over here, so it's gonna be shady. The sun's not gonna be out, which is a little nice because it is very hot out, and the waders and stuff were sweating like crazy. But yeah, get out there soon. Alright, now we're walking downstream instead of up. Not much sun, maybe around this bend in front of us we'll have some sun.
Bugs are out bad.
Yeah, bugs are out, so hoods are on. So we'll catch you down at the river.
Oh,
Alright, just wrapped up fishing. Didn't get any fish on the second go around. I mean, sun's down, fish aren't eating as much.
yeah, we only fished for like, I don't know, about 30 minutes, but I snapped off, called it there.
Yeah.
Overall, pretty good day, I'd say. I mean, water's rushing better than normal because we got all the snow melting off. But I had 2 decent ones.
I had 2 pretty good ones too.
I had 0. Just not 0, but you know,
Come back out here definitely again. So we'll see you then.
peace.